So I decided to just make a quick video of that. Kind of, I guess, one long scrapping video. And kind of go through the value of all of that. Should be a fun little video. Hopefully it's not very boring. So, starting off with some of this miscellaneous stuff. We got a nice piece of cable. You have some stainless steel I'm going to try to remove from this little base. It's quite easy. We got a nice little piece of stainless steel and some garbage. That's one down, 100,000 pieces of things to go. So now we have this mixer which died. So we've got our, I guess this would be stainless steel. I'm not 100% sure, but whatever it is, it's metal. And I'm sure there's a nice motor in here. So I'm going to open this guy up and see what's happening. Can't find the screws on this one. Obviously looks like they're right here, but I can't really see if it's actually there. We'll start with the top here. Some plastic. So just found a nice tiny board. Nothing too special. Some switches, so there might be some silver in there, and a couple of monolithic capacitors. Let's see if we can find the screws on this guy.